Hi, I'm rshand. You're watching rshand Classics. I have a truck coming soon, so I got to back up the car and get the car ramps and stuff. I just went on a fishing trip with my buddy, and guess what? He needs an oil change and his front brakes done. And I said, well, I could probably do that. And now it's raining. Yep. Well, I better get to it. So apparently today I'm going to be working in the rain because I need to get this stuff done. I feel like I wish I didn't have a day job at a mechanic shop because I'm starting to accept on too much work. I have a floor to finish, but I don't have a garage, so I need this rain to fucking go away so I finish that floor. I have this oil change coming. I have a car coming next weekend to do rockers on, and that same weekend I have a car that's going to stay here for 3 weeks that's coming to do a floor repair on it as well. Rain can fuck off now. Like, I got work to do. I don't have time for this. Yeah, you have to go a bit more, but just turn a little bit. Do not have grip. Hey, good. No, if that ramp slips. Yep. You good? And I'll make sure. So I'm going to continue this video some other time. I think you quickly caught that. It's super easy to do an oil change the more and more I do these, so I'm focusing less time on me showing stuff. If you want to know how to do an oil change on those old GMC trucks, I do have a video. I'll link down in the description below, me showing where the filter is, where the oil pan is, and all that fun stuff, like, because you don't need to see me do it 1,000 times. But that truck will come back later for me to do the brakes on it, so I'll continue the video from there. If not, if this is the end of the video, see, it's quick to do an oil change. You just gotta do it. You're gonna see more work. There's more work coming.
Am I okay? Yeah. No, like my password's full. No, gotta go a little more. No.
So as you saw, that was my buddy's truck. He thought it needed brakes. The brakes are completely fine, like, because he bought some extremely cheap brakes, and I can't believe the price he paid for them. Like, he paid 15 bucks for them brand new and stuff, and he installed them last year, and he was like, yeah, they were 15 bucks. But they're fine. They have like another year and a half for them for at least. So I'm like, well, I can't do your brakes if there's nothing to do. If they're fine, they're fine. Like, did an oil change on it, did a thermostat, which is like, it's only like 20, like for your thermostat housing, that's only like 20 foot-pounds, and it's very easy. You don't even have to take the intake off. I typically take the intake off because it gives you more room, and you follow one of the thermostat hoses, and then you turn the vehicle on, run it, and run the vehicle, and as the mosquito, you run the vehicle to the point where it gets to a boiling point, because you want to run the vehicle hot enough, and you can turn on your heater. That way you can tell that it's cycling through and it's heating up, and that your fan is turning on at the correct temperature. It's very easy to do. Typically what I do is you just take off your rad cap, or on these newer vehicles like his is 2012 not GMC, 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500, there is no rad cap. Typically I just leave the rad cap, especially like for this old girl when we were bleeding her, just leave the rad cap off and leave it running, and it'll eventually cycle through. Those don't have one, so you just because their overfill is part of the system. It flows through the overflow system. So you have to leave that off because it pressurizes, where like an overflow on these old trucks are not pressurized. Funness. But no, did that quickly for him, so that's done. Now I can't wait till we take the truck out for another fishing trip, because that's what we do with it. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. It was a very quick video because I just, for him, these were 3 separate occasion quick jobs. He'd come in, I quickly do it, and he get on to what he needs to do. So I'm glad I can help him out, and means more vehicles I get to work on. I can't wait to do stuff to this. I want to do some stuff, but pretty soon I may need to get some winter tires.